HTTP connector get OAuth access token. Here you can see get auth access token in HTTP connector. The Oauth 2 authorization code configured the Oauth 2.0 authorization code grant type. The Oauth authentication server holds the resources protected by Oauth. For example, API calls to the GIT hub API can be authenticated through GIT hub server using Oauth. Note that HTTP connector supports only Oauth 2.0. Following example shows how to configure the Oauth 2 authorization code grant type authentication for the HTTP request operation by creating a Mule app to access a protected resource, GIT hub user data on the GIT hub Oauth authentication server. The example covers how to set up authorization, create Mule app, and run the Mule app. This example requires that you have a GIT hub account. Before you create a Mule app, review the following diagram here that show the procedure of getting OAuth access token and returning token for data. Here's step 1. Submit an HTTP request for GIT hub process GIT hub access to the client app. Client app redirect the request to the GIT hub authentication server. 3. GIT hub request the login credentials. 4. Login and authorize the client app. 4. Login and authorize the client app. 5. The GIT hub authentication server returns an access token. 6. The client app listens for the next request. Here you can see GIT hub user interacts with the Mule client. Here the GIT hub user is connected to Mule client via request GIT hub access. Listen and request are in Mule client, and here the Mule client is connected to GIT hub Oauth server via redirect GIT access request. Here user data is in GIT hub Oauth server, GIT hub login prompt here, and here the GIT hub Oauth server is connected to Mule client via return access token, and Mule client is connected to GIT hub user via listen for next request. GIT hub user is connected to GitHub Oauth server via login and authorize app. Here is step 1 and step 2 and step 3 and step 4 and step 5 and step 6. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.